getting ready to LEAGUEI from France, Colombia versus Jairo from Japan. Grand BEATBOX 2023 World League Tag Team Final. The crazy final row with Collapse and River versus Yamori and John T. Oh my god! I can't wait. I mean, of course, Collapse and River have more skill, no question asked, but Yamori and Jonty bring this special flavor, this nice music, and they always took my heart. Every battle in the elimination, I really got touched. River and Collapse are always really nice, and always sounded nice and was very impressive, but it didn't touch my heart as much as Jairo. So let's go right into the battle. Don't want to waste all the beginning time. Oh, Collapse River have to go first. Is an advantage for our friends from Japan. So let's
$15,000, the
go.
title
I
of
can't
GBB
wait.
Champions 23.
Final
Let's
GP.
get into it. I say the twa, you say the two, no. Left, right, side to side, everybody. In twa.
That's it. John T. Whoa! As I said, so impressive. Hi!
Put your motherfucking hands up.
Yo!
Switch.
Woo! Okay, give it! Come on, Jairo!
Maybe that's fine. I sent you flower. Did you even care? You ran the shower, left them by the stairs. Don't you had a shit together that time I was gone. You were lost in all those stars. Next to make you once once. I know you think you're such an but you got no show. You were nothing better as scars. This ain't nothing like you once. I know you think you're such
Come on, get a nice shot.
So listen up, keep your ears to the ground. Don't get any mistake.
Man, Yamuri's voice is so nice.
Do it, don't get crowned, and I ain't gonna be taken down. I am letting my spirits down.
And Shanti's so clean. Oh,
And they do it,
and it
don't
sounds
get
so good.
crowned, and I ain't gonna be taken down. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Taken down. So choose something to believe in. You know we give life its meaning. No, if I search my feelings, I don't know.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Woo! Jairo! 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 Woo! Oh my god!
Rogueway, Jairo.
Oh my god! Okay, quick analyzation after the battle, I have to say. This will be a very controversial opinion, and people will hate me for but I think I would give the win to Jairo, and I'm gonna explain you why. Roguewave, of course, has the more solo skill. I mean, that drops from like more complex, more crazy beatbox techniques, harder sounds, more variety of sounds, but Jairo just, I think, musically was better. It was more enjoyable. I think it was, I mean, it was less battly, but also you have to count in the quality of vocal that Yamuri has and John T has in the bass notes, and when he's just doing it sounds so good, especially in direct comparison to Collapse and River. When Collapse did the mostly it sounded good, but in between that he did it shortly, and then sometimes it didn't have the same texture, and it didn't, and it was, the pitch was good, but in the direct comparison to Jairo, they had way better pitch. So, and also I have to say, especially in the last one of Jairo, the arpeggios that were so on point, and sometimes the Roguewave arpeggios were not 100% in flow. So, and also pitch-wise, the arpeggios of Jairo are better than Roguewave. And I have to say, one thing that sometimes I feel like with Roguewave is that they use sounds that's like are impressive, but they're sonically, like, for me, not the best choice. For example, this high-pitched sound in the beginning, I think here. For example, when I just listen to this, I don't like the sound. I mean, it works good in the context and it's impressive, but I don't like how it sounds. So I wouldn't choose the sound, and I think everything Jairo chooses to do sounds really, really nice. And Yamuri's voice is so special, and you can use it very softly in the beginning, put in more tension, and it's really, really nice. And John T is just chef's kiss, always in pitch. The harmonization is nice, and I really like how sometimes they take it slow, take the energy out. Like, for example, the beginning of the first round of Jairo, after this high energy thing of Collapse and River, they just started slow, and it really, really worked. It was the same against Jackpot in the other battle. So I have to say, I would give the win to Jairo. I know it's controversial. I don't know how the judge decided. I mean, I know who won, but I don't want to spoil for you. But I don't know if it was 5-0 or not. Yeah, so let's see the thing. But I think I would give it to Jairo. But I know it's a controversial decision, and I also want to say, of course, I know that the beatbox wise and the quality is still a beatbox competition, I know, but for me, as you also know, singing is also like a special sound, and the development of Yamuri's voice and how John T, how nice it sounds what he does in the low things. I mean, it's less what they do, but I think it sounds better, and at the end of the day, shouldn't that be what's important in a battle? In a beatbox battle, that it just sounds nice. So yeah, let's see the decision. Okay, sorry, my camera went out again, but yeah, I mean, was it crazy? I can just put in the decision. We have a speech.
Some noise for
Yeah, but huge shout out to Jairo. I think they really showed that it's possible to bring a really new flavor to beatbox. The tag team beatbox was really, really nice. I really loved it. And yeah, I would have given the win to them if I would be the judge. But of course, judges have to be more on like criteria and the beatbox, the technicality. There's always judging criteria there to be focused on. But really, really nice battle. I really like this final. Really brought some new flavors to the beatbox scene. Much shout out to Jairo, to Rogue Wave. Please follow them both. Please follow us for Speedbox. Watch the original battle. You can watch it again and again. Just enjoy the music. Just enjoy the beatbox. Also, Jairo, I think, put a lot of their rounds on their channel. If you want me to react to them and check them out, please let me know. And please let me know what else I should react to. Much love to everyone. And now my YouTube scoring again. I'm really proud. So hello to every new subscriber. Hello to everyone liking, commenting. It really, really helps out me. Helps me out. Much love and see you guys soon for the next reaction.